Okay, here is the P setting button right here. It's a little button on the PCB behind the plate, and it's definitely a P setting button. It's right there. So these controllers do come with a P setting. Now, I went ahead and drilled a small hole in there so that you can change it by pushing something in there like the OEM has. So it's at P5. That's where I've set it for the smoke setting, which is doing very well. It's holding around 230, 240. It's not even getting to 230, which is what this reading's saying. I have another probe in there which is 186, and it's holding dead solid on there, 185 to 186. And I tend to believe this one a little more, but still in the ballpark. And then also here's the analog reading on the cover, which is about 220. So we're in the ballpark with the P setting at 5. If I put that P setting at 2, which is how these controllers come, they come with the P setting set to 2, this will read about 300 degrees, and it goes from about 300 to 310. And the internal temperature gets up closer to 300 as well on my display. So it's definitely spiking way up with that P setting at 2. Now at the higher temperatures, the P setting at 2, basically anything off of the smoke setting, the P setting at 2 does control pretty well. But at 5 for the smoke setting is where you should have it, which is very similar to the way the OEM one works. So again, just making this video so you can understand that these controllers do indeed come with a P setting that is settable. It's just hidden behind that cover, like I showed. Thanks.